Hey everybody, this is Chris. It's time for a quick channel update. So first of all, and most importantly, I'm still alive. I know it's been a long time since I put a video out, but I've been very busy, especially with family items. My daughter Rachel just graduated from Notre Dame. I'm so proud of her. She's brilliant and a hard worker. She had a 3.69 GPA in mechanical engineering. And this is the last summer I get to spend with her before she starts working. So I'm spending as much time as I can with her and not really working on videos. But I'm sure you'll understand my priorities. Now, I have finished some projects. The Dragon Throne is finally complete. It took me 6 months and 250 hours. And I have to tell you that it may look pretty good in this video, but in person, it's amazing. I'm so happy with how it turned out. So I'm going to do probably at least one high-speed video, then a very detailed build video that shows you in detail how I did everything. And you're going to see more of this throne. I'm going to do an interview series with other YouTube creators called Hot Air from the Dragon Chair. So more to come on this. The coffee table I originally made for the outdoor porch, I moved inside. So I made a new slab coffee table, and it turned out great. So a video coming on this. And finally, I'm working on a hand-carved wooden bowl to replace the bowl that I donated to Hurricane Harvey relief. It's going to be great. I can't wait. So stay tuned. If you want more frequent updates, you can follow me on Instagram or Twitter @ChopWithChris. Thank you, and have a great summer.